What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Earth Pro. And so the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to double click on the Google Earth Pro application. And so this is the interface. Basically this is the Google Earth Pro interface. So if you want to change the language, because not all of us actually understand English or Arabic or French. So in order to change system language, just go to tools at the top of this Google Earth application. You'll be able to see this. I think there are 6 applications, there are 6 tools. Just click on the tools and then scroll down to options, and then go to the last option, the last tab that says general. So click on the general tab and then go to under this language settings sections. You should be able to see, by default we have English as default, so you can now click on this English or this downward arrow and then choose, let's say, I believe this is Arabic or something, so let me choose that one and click apply and okay and okay. So in order to effect that, you need to restart the Google Earth Pro application. So in order to, by restarting, it means that you just close down and then open again. So I'm going to close down, then open it again. So the moment we open the Google Earth Pro application again, now everything looks upside down. It's now display in I believe this is Arabic or something. So in order to go back, I'm just going to, and guys, we need to do this if you're sure of what you're doing, because it may get tricky to get back to this language that you understand. So I'm just going to go back. I believe this now tools, and then that's not the one that I wanted. This is the tool, then go to that one. I'm even guessing. So so there was, you need now to go to the last tool. That's what I crammed. So we need to go to the last tool. So I believe this one is now the general something, general tab, and then if you see anything that points down, let's say an arrow, that's where you now need to change the language. So if I click that, so fortunately we now have the languages. You can now choose the language that you understand. You can choose UK, English, United States, and then I believe now this is apply. For my brothers who understand Arabic, I believe this is apply or something, apply, and then it gives us that small warning, and then that says you need to restart. So click OK, and then I'm going to close down and then open the Google Earth Pro application again and see if the changes have been effected. So fortunately guys, we now have the language. We have the application now displays everything in English. So that's the simple way how you can actually change the language in Google Earth Pro application. So see you in the next tutorial.